that paper actually. As usual, we again follow two patterns basically. The first one is always try to find out the pattern, not the process. And
Hmm.
second is if a statement is difficult, go for the options. And if option is difficult, go for the statement and vice versa. Basically. So these are the only monies to approach to solve
Bhagya,
the C set basically. Read
in
this
a
question,
group
Priya.
of 120%, 80 are Indians, rest are foreigners. Further, 70% in the group can speak English.
Hmm.
The number of Indians who can speak English is
Hmm. Tell the demand first. What question is asking?
there are 120%, out of it 80 are Indians and
Hmm.
rest 40 are foreigners. Then
Hmm.
70% can speak English either in Indians, either in the foreigners.
Hmm.
Then the number of we have to take out how many can speak English.
The number of Indians who
Indians who
can
can
speak
speak
English
English.
is. Hmm. So guys, tell. How will you solve this question? Tell Bhagya.
We'll
See,
take
Manish,
out
here foreigners can speak English. So we can take those number mostly speak English. See, out of 120, 80 are Indians, remaining are foreigners. So 40 are foreigners.
Hmm.
70% of the group can speak English means mostly 40% can speak. So we can take 30, remaining 30 are there. Mm,
Hmm.
30
How
or
can
more
you
we
say
can
40 foreigners can speak English total, my Bhagya?
That's why 30, 30 or more I told.
30 or 30 more you are saying?
30 or more.
Hmm. See. Now guys, you know what? In these types of question, guys, one thing always remember. Do you know what is that? I'll don't give exact answer. Always give the answer in range in these types of
Mm.
questions. This is one takeaway from my side. In these types of question, always focus on the range. Guys, the question is saying out of 120 persons, 80 are Indians. It means ke foreigner will be 40. Any doubt?
No.
No.
No. Now further 70% in the group can speak English. Out of 120, 70% is speaking in English. So the number of Indians who can speak English is. Now guys listen carefully. Suppose that 40 are foreigners. So all foreigners are speaking in English. So 30 must be speaking English of Indian people. So it means Indian people, at least 30 Indian people are speaking English, at least basically. Maximum, they can increase also. Because see, foreigner, I have taken all the number, but it is not necessarily they will take. But yes, 30 minimum Indians will speak. Means 30% Indian definitely will speak English. It means that this cannot be the answer. But see, always give the answer in the range. Because 30 I am taking, na. But maybe all the foreigner are not speaking in English. So basically, 30 are more actually. You have to pick up the answer. Okay, I will revise the question now. Tell me, maximum, maximum, how many Indian person can speak in English? Then what should be the answer?
Maximum.
Maximum.
30 or
In
less
this only
only.
answer.
Hmm?
In these four options, answer
No,
is
no.
there, Manish.
You can take your options. Maximum, how many Indians can speak English? Tell. If you understood,
Maximum
then tell.
80%, 70 we can take Manish here. Maximum you are asking.
Hmm.
Hmm.
70.
So maximum basically 70. So guys, this is what UPSC what is checking here actually. I think there is nothing in this question, right? Just use common sense. Okay, the number of Indian can speak in English, minimum, maximum, all they can speak, yes. Because there is no restrictions, na. Actually, that's what. So see guys, you take the lesson guys from here. Okay? See, this is what UPSC is checking basically. All right. Next question. See again number system question, guys. Read this question, Bhagya. 6.
Consider all three-digit numbers without repetition of digits obtained using three non-zero digits which are multiples of 3. Let S be their sum. Which of the following correct?
Hmm. Guys, I have told you. First, Bhagya, you tell the what demand of the question. Tell the demand first. What question is saying till here?
Three-digit number are there, which is
Hmm.
multiple of 3, and
Multiple of 3.
that three-digit is non-repeating distinct digits and a
Non-repeating and
non-zero.
more on non-zero digit. It means
Non-zero.
0 cannot be there.
Hmm.
So basically, what can be 3, 6, and
9.
9? Because because there should be multiple of 3 and 3 digit. So only 3 number are each possible. Any doubt? Tell till here any doubt?
No.
Because question is saying that number should be multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9. Non-zero, 0 I cannot take.